So due to the lockdown, you all must be getting very bored. But I am here with my new video, and in this video I am going to show you all how to draw anime characters like a pro. So as always, we will start by making a rough sketch. So now I will start putting details in a rough sketch. So while sketching, take a good care of the proportions so that your sketch look more refined and clean. So I'm using this image as a reference for my drawing. You can use any image of your choice. So now it's time to ink our sketch, but first let's wash our hands. So while you are inking, do it very calmly and don't get nervous while inking. So I'm getting tired right now, so let's drink a cup of coffee.
That's all right.
Inking done, so now it's time to color a sketch.
That's all right.
So I'm feeling pretty sleepy right now, so let's continue tomorrow. So guys, it's already tomorrow. Let's finish this today. So the drawing is finally completed. Now enjoy the final reveal. So if you are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button with post notifications on, and drop a like if you liked the video. Do comment down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, and that's it for today. I will see you all in my next video.